Hey, what's up guys? So the watch face that I'm reviewing today is called MD292 from developer Matteo Dini. Now what I really like about this watch face is the accents color here and how it has been themed out with red and black. This color combination anywhere is really cool and I like this on this watch face as well. So looking at the aesthetics, there is quite a bit of information available. We have a digital time section here on the right. It seems like it's kind of in its own window that is covered with glass. If you look closely, that's how it has been designed. Looks really nice in person, at least, if not on camera. So this is the always on display version of this watch face where it dims out but you can still see all the colors and all the information. Then we have these two half dials for heart rate and distance covered. We've got the heart rate here. It tells you that the heart rate is normal. We've got the sunset time here. We've got the moon here as well. It shows the phase of the moon. Down below we have battery percentage, and then in the periphery you see this icon moving in the periphery which shows you the seconds, and then on these borders we get complications. At the top we've got day and date. So let's go into the customization options of this watch face and take a look at what we get here. So the first one is backgrounds. So if I scroll through this, you will see the change in color options around here where you see this accent border. So now we have blue, orange, green. So we have different colors that we can add as a background. Scrolling ahead, we get the time. So you can change the colors of the time here. We've got quite a few options here as well for the time. Then we have markers. So you can put hourly markers at the periphery. And then we have rings. So this is the color of the rings. These rings here, you can change the colors for them as well. Next up we have color for the accents here for day and date and all of these complications. And then finally we have quite a lot of complications here. We've got 4 of these complications and then 3 in the middle. So you can change and add these complications as well. So let's quickly take a look at the options we get for complications. Same standard set of complications that we get. We've got app shortcuts, we've got shortcuts, fitness settings, fitness options. So quite a lot of things and options available for complications. Then we'll press OK. And there you go. I've changed the rings color to black and I really like this look much better as compared to the previous one. I really like this watch face. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I will put the link of this watch face in the description below so you can check it out, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.